slow down. It was real thick there for a minute.
Well, now it's coming down a little bit more. See? I don't want it to stop. All day and all night. Some just got in my eye, and that was the weirdest feeling.
My smoke, probably.
Huh?
My cigarette.
No,
Oh.
a piece of snow got in my eye. No, you can't zoom in on this. And it's getting smaller again.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get bigger.
Is it still snowing?
It's
Yeah, it's starting to get smaller.
It's not fair. Keep going.
You in the snow?
Huh?
Did she get a picture of you in the snow?
It's okay.
Well, we'll get a picture of you in the
No, I'm alright.
Now it's coming back again. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'll take a
We'll be out here for hours.
Well, I want to. Well, I want it to snow more first.
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera.
I like
No.
It's filming, so it doesn't
Oh,
matter. I'm gonna go check on the kittens. They must be really cold in there.